2 points on 27. 14 to shoot. 10. 14 to shoot. 10. 5. 2 points for number 13. 14 to shoot. Ball out of bounds. Fourteen to shoot. Ball out of bounds. Points number 27. Points number 24. Traveling violation. Fourteen shoot. 10. 5. 2 points number 5. 14 shoot. 10 to shoot. Traveling violation. Fourteen to shoot. 2 points number 0. Deadlock 6. 14 to shoot. Foul committed by number 9. Holding foul. Number 9, that is your first personal foul for of the team. 2 free throw for number 13. First free throw basket. Second free throw miss rebound. And to shoot. 14. Two points for number 27. Three minutes remaining time. Working to shoot. Two points number 0. No, so it's low. Foul committed by number 4. Hacking foul. Number 4, that is your first personal foul first of the team. 2 free throw for number 34. First free throw basket, second free throw miss rebound. That's 2 for 2 for Eureka. Fourteen to shoot. Two minutes remaining time. And there's the result. Foul committed by number 0, blocking foul. That's the first personal foul, second team foul. For the shot, number 19. Fourteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. Two free throw for number 5 of Eureka. First free throw basket. Second free throw miss rebound. That's 2 for 2 for Eureka. Foul. Foul number 0. Holding foul. Number 0, that is the second personal foul, third of the team. Save ball possession. 1 minute 12 seconds remaining time. 14 to shoot. One minute remaining time. Take the shoot. Foul committed by number 0. Illegal use of hand. That is your third personal foul. Warning for a penalty. Two free throw for number 19. First free throw basket, second free throw miss, rebound. Thirty seconds. Foul number 4. Legal use of hands. Number 4, that is your second personal foul. Third of the team. Two free throw for number 33. First free throw basket, second free throw miss, rebound. With 23 seconds remaining time. Time to shoot. Five. Shot clock off. 5 seconds remaining time.
Reserve na si Isto pa sa second sa third si Garesa. Sige na ko lawak na. Sa reserve na si Isto pa sa second, sa third si Garesa. Thank you.
Isa sa rotational player, Hestopa.
Three seconds violation. Fourteen to shoot. That's 3 points for number 3. That 3 points is brought to you by MJ Freeport. That's 3 points for number 14. That 3 points is brought to you by Green Ribbon. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Fourteen to shoot. 10. And we got a warning for number 13 of Garita for taunting. Points number 14. Fourteen to shoot. 2 points number 6. Fourteen to shoot. Reset 14. 10 to shoot. 2 points. For number 42. Working to shoot. 10. More out of bounds. Substitution. Time remaining 4 minutes.
Antibo, kadang stop. Antibo, kadang
10 to shoot.
Antibo,
Foul number
tribunal.
99. Illegal use of hand. Number 99, that is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Sa third set, si ano lang, si Grace. Grace lang, Grace. Grace lang, Grace lang.
14 to shoot. That's 2 points for number 42.
Antibo.
Fourteen to shoot. There's a whistle. Player out of bounds. Substitution. Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. That's ball. Substitution. That's player out of bounds. Very double possession. Three points for number 10. The 3 points brought to you by White Towers Car Wash. Fourteen to shoot. That's ball out of bounds. Very double possession. 1 minute 51 seconds. We got a challenge call. Fourteen to shoot. 10. That's ball out of bounds. 1 minute 14 seconds remaining time. Fourteen. Reset to 14. 10 shoot. Foul number 23. Blocking foul number 23. That is your first personal foul, first of the team. 2 free throw for number 21. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, miss rebound with 53 seconds remaining time. And that's too soon, early entry. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Reset to 14. That's 2 points. Fourteen to shoot. That's 2 points for number 99. Shot clock off, 10 seconds. 5. 2 seconds.
Diaz, Villanueva, Estrella, and Gareza, rotational player.
Start our first phase of our third quarter. Only players listed in the lineup is the left player on the court. Foul number 16, hitting the head. Number 16, that is your first personal foul, first of the team.
Hello and good evening.
14 to shoot.
Clarito. Diaz takes the 3 points. Diaz. This 3 points brought to you by Green Ribbon Minimart. Venezuela. Gomez back to Venezuela.
14 to shoot.
Drop to JR. Short. Rebound by Diaz. To Clarito, steal by Venezuela. Pick up by Gomez. To Gutierrez. To the Joker. 2 points. Joker Gavieta. Villanueva. And ball out of bounds. Gutierrez to Venezuela. To Elian Garin back to Venezuela. To Gomez. Takes long to short. Rebound by Antibo to Clarito. Counter ang Rizal to Gisal. Drop to Gareza. 2 points. Gareza. Venezuela to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Pick up ni Clarito. Clarito to Diaz. Diaz kick out to Villanueva. Villanueva drop pass but strip ni Gutierrez. Venezuela to Gavieta. Gavieta 2 points. Diaz to Tuliaga. And legal play there. That's the legal steal by Diaz. Long 3! Wala. And ball out of bounds. Substitution. Estrella and Hiko in. Gomez and Tuliaga will be on the bench and rest for a while.
Tindagan. Hindi pwede matawag lang, ikaw natatindag gusto. Tindagan.
Hiko to the Joker. The Joker to Gutierrez. Inside, yes, 2 points. Charles Gutierrez. 1-point lead by Garita. 4 minutes. Diaz to Clarito for 3. 3 points, Clarito. The 3-point is brought to you by Joker Scott. Venezuela, Tohico, 14 to shoot, takes, and that's a traveling violation. Substitution Gomez for Gavieta. Estrella to Clarito. To Diaz. 14 to Clarito. Drop pass to Villanueva. Villanueva goes strong inside and was blocked at behind. Ball B stays on. Rizal to Gisal.
7 seconds to shoot.
Villanueva. Inbound to Estrella. Estrella. Pass. Goes strong and we have a contact. And a foul by number 18.
Number 18 of Garita, that's your first personal foul, first team foul.
2 free throws for Estrella for act of shooting. First throw Estrella, no basket. Second throw, wala. Magyapon pick up rebound ni Estrella. Estrella to Gomez. Gomez to William Garin fakes. Back to Gomez. Wala. Short and banks. Oh, steal there by Estrella. That's his third steal of the game. Gutierrez drop pass to Gomez. Wala magyapon. Pick up rebound ni Diaz. Counter and what a miscommunication by Estrella and Diaz. Timeout, Garita Boys, back to the ball game. Enesela inibang, pressure by Tugisan. Enesela setting to Gomez. Gomez takes, drop pass to Gutierrez. Automatic double team. Turn to shoot. Gomez for 3, wala. Lapaw. Nabuyan ni Kagawad pero kuni-cover. Yung pasa sa teammate kay Diaz. Nice IQ there by Garesa. Estrella. Pops. Wala na pa. Rebound ni Gutierrez. Gutierrez to William Garin. Back to Higo to Estrella. Reserve substitution for Garita Boys. Estrella for the Higo. Higo pops. Short rebound by Garesa to Villanueva. Villanueva and strip at the back. So out of bounds substitution. The Joker in for Gomez.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Apat kaboy ni Gomez. Urangin ka sila sa ring. Medyo mura sa kondisyon. Clarito! Wala! Rebound and that's a push there at the back by Estrella. It was caught by our referee.
Foul number 3, that's your first personal foul, second team foul.
Gutierrez to Enesela
2 minutes remaining time.
to Helian Garin. Helian Garin wala. Rebound pick up ni Villanueva. Diaz to Oy, back to Clarito, jump shot, wala. Pick up rebound ni Villanueva. Oy, nabuyan Clarito, and that's a blocking foul there for Gavieta. Right,
Foul number
we are still
4.
recovering for that.
Number 4, that is your first personal foul, second team foul.
Okay lang, hindi man tigdas, kay Boy On. Medyo lumbak magawa. Do foam lang, do foam.
14 seconds shot clock.
Una na naring si Joker na. Estrella. Oy, lumay na mas tape. Estrella, in-drop, wala. Rebound ni Enesela. Enesela. Oy, still there by Diaz. To Clarito. Clarito. Drop pass, the strip. And Enesela to Gutierrez. And 2 points. Charles Gutierrez. Estrella to Diaz. Medyo nagapanaw na aton isang player. Medyo field na
1 minute remaining time.
Gagawad Garesa, too strong. Pick up rebound ni the Joker to Enesela. Enesela, forward pass to the Joker. The Joker strip ni Garesa to Estrella. Estrella goes on the middle, goes up, 2 points. Daniel Estrella. And it's still there by Diaz. Counter naman ng Tulisan. Drop pass to Clarito. Balik kay Diaz. Medyo nag-relax. Makahapoy na guro. Clarito. Drop pass to Estrella. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound ni Gutierrez to Enesela.
Shot clock off, 20 seconds.
Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Drop pass to the Joker. 2 points. The Joker.
10.
Clarito.
5 seconds.
Diaz for long 3. Wala. Rebound. We have a warning for number 17, Higo, for resentment to a non-call. Disconcerting. Disconcerting.
Start of our second phase of our third quarter. Change court, Garita ball possession.
Sir Tibog, kurang number 30. Makasi. Thank you.
Basket count foul committed by number 7, hacking foul. Number 7, that is your first personal foul, first of the team. Bonus free throw by number 27. No basket. Ball on the foul, same ball possession. And shoot. Warning on the bench of Garita for improper bench decorum. 14 to shoot. Foul number 34, blocking foul. Number 34 of Garita, that's your first personal foul, first of the team. Foul committed by number 34, holding foul. 34, that is your, at 24. Number 24, that is your first personal foul, second of the team. 14. 2 points for Rizal. Fourteen shoot. That's 3 points for Garita. Fourteen to shoot. That's illegal tap, close fist. Garita ball possession. Fourteen to shoot. 10. 5. 24 seconds violation. That's ball out of bounds. Same ball possession. Fourteen seconds. 10 to shoot. Ball out of bounds, same ball possession. Garita ball possession. Fourteen to shoot. Foul number 24. Hacking foul number 24. That is your second personal foul. Third of the team. 14 seconds on the shot clock. And to shoot. Ball out of bounds, breakable possession. Fourteen to shoot. Time to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Five. 2 points for the Suns. Fourteen to shoot. 10. Fourteen to shoot. Foul number 0. That is your fourth personal substitution. Warning for penalty. First free throw basket for the Sun, number 22. Second free throw miss rebound. That's 2 for 2 for number 22. Fourteen to shoot. And that's a ball out of bounds. Substitution, 12 in, 14 out. 18 in, 24 out. Fourteen to shoot. Two points for Garita. Fourteen to shoot. Five minutes remaining time. Fourteen to shoot. 2 points for Garita, number 4. Fourteen to shoot. 3 points for number 22 of Rizal. Deadlock point 4. 14 to shoot. This is 14. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Number 5. Fourteen to shoot. 10. These are the 14. Foul committed by number 23. Illegal use of hands. That is your second personal foul. Second team foul.
Wala may nag-recognize kang sabi pasalan yung playero.
Walang advice dito.
Deserves up.
In front, not onside. In front.
All right, continue the game. Enesela. To Gutierrez.
14 to shoot.
Back to Enesela. And legal play. That's legal play. 5 to shoot. And we have a contact at the back there for number 23. Estopa is a hockey foul.
That is your third personal foul, third of the team.
Inbound hit Pigon. 2 points lead by Garita Boys. Elian Garin, and we have a contact. Number 8, Clarito.
Number 08, that is your first personal foul, warning for penalty.
Two free throws for JR Elian Garin. First row basket count. Second throw again, 2 out of 2 for Elian Garin. JR. Estopa to tribunal. Back to Estopa.
3 minutes
To
for
Clarito. Clarito drop pass to Estemada. Estemada still drop wala. Rebound ni Henesela. And bounce off his knee and ball out of bounds. Elian Garin. To Gutierrez, to Henesela. Wala na pa, pick up rebound ni Estopa. Forward pass to Clarito. Clarito get away! Contact there and a foul by Henesela.
Foul number 8. Any foul, that is your penalty. That is your first personal foul. Garita on penalty.
First throw, Clarito, basket counts. Second throw ni Clarito. Substitution. Involtorio for Henesela. Envoltorio to Henesela.
14 to shoot.
Low post but recovered by Gutierrez for 3. Wala, rebound tap. Pick up ni Garresa. Garresa the pass break but still ni Henesela. Elian Garin to Gutierrez and challenge was kicked out to Gavieta.
14 to shoot.
Back to Elian Garin. Defense there by to Enesela. Back to Liang Garin. Liang Garin. Wala. Rebound. Top of the rebound. Pick up ni Garesa. Ball out of bounds by Rizal Tugisan. So shot clock will reset for 14. Envoltorio. Pass to, and we have a contact at the back, or either in the front. Foul number 23, Estopa. 2 shots for
Fourth personal
the
foul.
Joker. Penalty. Substitution, Unigo will take place for, and a substitution as well. Gomez for Eliang Garin. Shooter. Reserves for Garita Boys. First throw by the Joker, basket counts. Reserves also for Rizal Tugisan.
Ang kahit bangko, yung lalo yung si Sula dito sa parang dalawang para kita. Yan na. Sula lang. Sula lang, sir. Ang patan na lang karon. Sa sugat na.
No basket, second throw. Tribunal. The A-star player kang Rizal Tugisan. So Clarito, yes, 3 points Clarito, wala rebound ni Unigo, wala. Forward pass, and still there by Tribunal. Tribunal goes up and 1 for Tribunal. And a foul there by number 4. Gaviet. Substitution is Eliana and Estolas in.
Number 4 of Garita, that is your second personal foul.
Tribunal on the 3-point play. And wala. Pick up rebound ni Gomez. To Envoltorio. Envoltorio to Eliana. Wala. And rebound. And we have a held ball for Gomez and Unigo. Ball possession by Rizal Tugisan. Forward pass. Tribunal on the spin. Finds a way. Wow! What a classic spin fade away there by Tribunal.
1 minute remaining time.
Enesela to Eliana to Envoltorio pass. Wala. Rebound, and we have a whistle there. And a foul by number 77, Gutierrez. Penalty. That's penalty.
4 teams on penalty.
So both teams now on penalty.
That is your first personal foul. First free throw, no basket. Second free throw, miss rebound. Second throw, no basket. Battle for rebound. Pick up by Eliana. And we have a whistle. Substitution, Balagay in. Okay na, kita na tanan. That's foul number 08. We have a substitution first for penalty. Both teams on penalty. 08, that is your second personal foul.
Both teams on penalty. Substitution and the in. And Estela, first throw, no basket. Second throw for Estela. Wala rebound pick up ni Estemada. To Balatay. Balatay. Draw pass to Unigo. Back to Balatay. Cross pass to Tribunal. Draw pass. Oh, what a play there by Team Rizal Tugisan.
Warning number,
You have a warning there for number
good ball. No substitution, good ball. Warning lang tayo.
Andy to Eliana. Eliana, wala, rebound. And ball out of bounds there. Estolas, substitution. Hipolgani in and Tora and Delible in.
Rep, sino yung warning?
Last warning, number 18. 13. Number 13.
For delaying the game.
Okay, yeah. That's Unigo. Warning to one is warning to all for delaying the game. Andy to Gomez. Gomez Sobra, and we have a contact. And a foul number 42.
42.
Hipolgani. Penalty situation.
Number 42, that is your first personal foul.
Unigo on the line. Wala. Kaya go lang rin yan. Okay na tayo. May go lang rin, okay na. Imam nyo na po. Score now of 52-49. At 3 points leader by Rizal Tugisan. Pre, kailangan ka tawagin mo sa libon mo. Fourth quarter. This fourth quarter is brought to you by Joker's Cup and White Tower Car Wash. Ball possession by Garita Boys. So we have Garita behind Garin, Gutierrez, and Terrible, Gavieta, and Hilo. For Tugisan, Cermite, Villanueva, Diaz, Ionigo, and Garesa. Fourth quarter. And Delible to Elian Garin. Wala, short. Pick up rebound ni Villanueva. To Ionigo, to Cermite. Tolic, cross pass to Garesa, to Villanueva, 42. Villanueva, kick out to Tolic, kick out to Diaz. Okay! Bang! 3 points, Diaz. The 3 points is brought to you by White Tower Car Wash. Tora to Gutierrez. 14 shoot. Kick out to Tora. Baba! Short. Offensive rebound, and we have a contact for Cermite.
Number 17, pushing foul. 11 pushing foul, that is your first personal foul, first team foul.
Inbound by Gutierrez.
Shot clock on 14.
To Entelible, cross pass to Elian Garin. Elian Garin, time to shoot. Pops, drop pass to Hilo. Hilo, wala. And rebound, but cannot control by the Joker. So ball out of bounds, ball return to backward. What an effort there by the Joker. Pero wala lang ma-establish, mayalang bola. Cermite to Villanueva. Foul there by number 7 Diaz for pushing foul.
That is your second personal foul, second team foul.
Hilo.
14 to shoot.
Gutierrez for 3, wala. Rebound pick up ni Villanueva. Villanueva, double team. Villanueva, and we have a contact.
Foul
Foul
number
number
4. Holding foul, number 4, that is your third personal foul, first team foul.
Foul by the Joker. Sermite. To Diaz.
14 to shoot.
Diaz, step back, wala. Rebound, pick up ni Endelible. Endelible. Pressure defense there by Villanueva. Endelible, cross pass to Elian Garin. Elian Garin fakes.
14 to shoot.
To Gutierrez. Gutierrez, 10. Elian Garin pops, wala. Rebound, pick up ni Hilo. Hilo, 3-14, Hilo, and we have a whistle. And called by our referee, junior referee, number 9, foul, Villanueva, for having foul.
Number 9, that is your first personal foul, third all time.
Substitution. Malain. Another substitution for Tribunal. Substitution, Gomez in. Charles will be subbed by Gomez. A lot of fresh legs inside the court.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Hilo. And ball out of bounds there. And last touch by Rizal Tugisan. Elian Garin to Hilo. To Elian Garin. Takes a three. Wala. Rebound in the Joker. Follow up and we have a contact. And a foul there by number 42, Yamala.
Number 42, that is your first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
2 free throws for the Joker for act of shooting. First throw by the Joker, miss. Marita Boys now trailing by 8 points. Still have plenty of time. Under 8 minutes. Second throw by the Joker. Yes, basket count. Sermite. Sermite. Jump shot. Wala, rebound. Pick up ni Tora Tora. Tora Tora, and we have a contact. But no Tora is Diaz. And shoot, wala. Tip. Diaz. 42 Diaz. Kick out. Gareza. To Sermite. Back to Gareza. Wala, rebound. Pick up ni Tora Tora. Counter naman ang Garita. Tora Tora goes strong inside. And we have a contact and a 2 free throws for act of shooting. Foul number 22. Hockey foul.
Penalty. Number 22, that is your first personal foul.
Reserve sub for Rizal Tugisan. And Delible on the line. First throw, basket counts. Second throw and Delible. Cabo short. Gareza on the rebound. Forward pass to Sermite. Sermite. Gina. Pasa kay Tribunal. 2 points. Oh, we have some injury on the player. Poko lang, sir. Poko, sir. Poko. Time out.
42 to shoot.
Time out na lang, table time out.
Substitute player for the injured player. Seconds on the shot clock.
Gomez. It's a 3-ball. Dave Gomez for 3 points. The 3 points is brought to you by Green Ribbon Minimart. Oh, open Estimada. Estimada, wala. Rebound. Battle bigat ni Makutay. Oops. Tora, wala. Rebound bigat ni Tribunal. Tribunal. Looking for his teammate, Tribunal, ibuyan kay Estopa. Estopa, drop pass kay Estimada. Estimada, wala. Rebound, pick up, nag-grabble, and leg away, Estopa. So, Humala, back to Estopa, and we have a 3 seconds violation. Ay, mahapo. Makutay to Angelibre. Elian Garin. Elian Garin. Trapas mo Makutay, and we have a contact. And a foul there by number 42, Iamala.
Number 42, that is your second personal foul penalty.
2 free throws for Makutay. First round basket by Jeff. Reserve substitution kay Garesa. For last row, wala ang basket. Oh, pick up ni Hilo. Follow-up for 2. Rebound, pick up ni Yamara to Diaz. Diaz to counter. Pagkasikasik, kick out to Estopa. 2 points, Estopa. Tora in the lead. For ito yung garin. To Dave Gomez. Spacing. Back to Liang Garin. To Endelible. Switch for 3. To Liang Garin. Wala. Pick up rebound ni Hilo. Reset to 14. Liang Garin strip. And ginpasa ang bonus. Illegal. And out of bounds there by Endelible. Salto Gisan, ball possession to Hiamala. Pressure there by Garrita. All. And still there by Makutay. Wow, what a defense by Jeff Makutay. And the libre to Gomez. Gomez! Almost there. Tribunal. Tribunal. Tribunal again. My goodness, he kicks the ball. Garrita boys. What a game tonight by Rizal and Garrita. Garrita is looking for third win in a row, and Rizal Tugisan is looking to stop. Back to the ball game. Substitution of Garesa recognized. Ball possession of Garrita boys. Back to defense ng Rizal Tugisan. Elian Garin to Makutay. Jeff Makutay to Elian Garin. To the libre. Kick out to Elian Garin. Kick out to Charles. Charles fakes. Charles drives. And he has no out of bounds. Balls on play, Ratatawag. And we have a offensive foul there, dali lang, Ratatawag. We have a offensive foul. Continue game. Elian Garin. To Endelibre shot. Rebound by Garresa. To Estemada. To Estopa. Estopa. Wala. Rebound ni Estopa. And we have a whistle. We have a whistle at the back, foul number 34, and they leave there for hacking foul.
That is your second personal foul.
Substitution for
Second team foul.
substitution is Eliana for Villa. Two free throws for Estopa. First throw, no basket. Second throw, basket count, so 7-point lead by Rizaldo Bizar. Gatpulintan to Eliana rin, back to Gatpulintan to Eliana to Gatpulintan to Gutierrez, open for three, jump shot, short, and ball out of bounds.
Time remaining 3 minutes 30 seconds.
Estopa lays up, wala. And we have a pushing foul there by number 23, Estopa.
Penalty. Number 23, that is your fourth personal.
23, your fifth personal foul, immediate substitution. Makuta on the free throw line. First throw, wala. Jeff in a crucial stage free throw. Every point is very important. Second throw short, rebound by Garresa. First free throw, and number 14, Eliana for two. Diaz. 14 to shoot. Diaz, and Diaz got the Estimada. Jump shot. Wala, rebound ni Jeff. And drop pass to Gatpulintan. Forward pass to Eliana. Forward by and a strip there by Clarito. Substitution and delivery. Senator, sir, recognize na ni mga sub. Change by
Team timeouts reminder, Garin, 2 more timeouts. Rizal, 3 more timeouts. 18 seconds to shoot.
Jeff Baguta loses the ball. Diaz, forward pass to Clarito. Clarito, derecho, 2 points. Clarito. Gutierrez to Elian Garin. Elian Garin. Drop pass to offensive. Gutierrez! 3 points! Gutierrez! Back to the ball game. Penalty na ang Rizal Tugisan. Pressure by Garita. Pressure. Clarito to Tribunal. Tribunal to Diaz. One to man ang Garita ball. Tribunal. Tribunal 5. Tribunal for 3. Wala. Rebound. Pick up ni Gutierrez. Counter na naman. 3 minutes. Gutierrez, we have a foul there. And a foul by number 22. Holding foul. Substitution.
Number 22, that is your second personal foul penalty.
And 2 free throws for Gutierrez. Ronnie Gutierrez, wala! Garita Boys trailing by 4 points. Kapit Ryan, kapit. Short rebound, pick up ni Clarito. And we have a foul by Gutierrez. Foul number 77, holding foul.
Number 77, that is your second personal foul.
Warning ta. Proper base.
Your warning for Rizal
Third
Tugisan.
foul. Result warning for improper bench decorum.
Pressure. Clarito. Balik kay Diaz. To Tribunal. Tribunal na nakalusot. Get away Tribunal. Water for Tribunal. Making a switch. We have
Basket count.
contact. Basket count. Foul number 22. 21. Hilo.
That is your first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
3-point play there for Tribunal. Still 20 of 5. Yeah, 3-point play completed by Tribunal. Makutay to Tora. Shot again. Oh, yes, recovery. Makutay, Elian Garin. And Tora recovered back to her for Pio Harisu. Slap. And the ball by Diaz. For Dipsu, for Tribunal. And he travels. The traveling violation. Back to the ball game. All right. So inbound will be on. Ito shoot, sunod. Recognize mo na tayo ang Gasatra. Sir, recognize ang Gasatra. Instruction to. Medyo tao sa tiyak.
Sakit sa bank.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute remaining time.
All right, setting up the play. Sugam ni Tribunal. And we have a
Timeout, Rizal.
back to the ball game. And a timeout for Rizal Tugisan. Possession Rizal Tugisan.
$52 seconds remaining time. 52 seconds. Foul before the inbound is a technical foul.
Servite to Clarito. Forward pass to Tribunal. Back to Clarito. Wasting time. Still have plenty of room. Man. That's a pressure defense. And still there by Gomez. Lays out. And we have a contact.
Foul committed by number 08. Blocking foul.
2 free throws for Gomez.
Number 08, that is your third personal foul penalty.
First free throw by Gomez. Rattles out. Second free throw. Wala man yapon. Rebound ni Garresa. Tribunal. And we have a quick foul there by Andelible Tora.
Number 34, holding foul penalty.
Substitution. Gakulitan in for Gutierrez.
Number 34, that is your third personal foul.
31 seconds remaining time. First throw, basket count.
Second free throw, miss rebound with 31 seconds remaining time.
Second throw by Tribunal, yes. Gakulitan, grab pass to Andelible. 3 points! Andelible! Shot off. Still alive. And we have a contact there. A foul for number 21, Earth Hilo.
Penalty. Number 21, that is your second personal foul. Penalty.
Number 24, yes, again.
Last free throw, miss rebound with 20 seconds remaining time. Katlako.
Wow! 4 point. Kaapat ka free throw na yung gamis pa. Tora but loses the ball to Clarito.
15 seconds.
Clarito. 10 to Tribunal. Drop pass. Herresa, yes, 2 points. Gagawa de Herresa.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Rizal Tugisan. And our best player of the game, number 22.